Discover the power of product and machine development with Tembo. Our unique group of companies has been pushing boundaries since 1912. We are involved throughout the entire process, from the earliest ideas to the production line in full flow. Our expertise and services support every stage of your product's journey. To help global brands be the first to launch new sustainable products that meet the demands of consumers in fast-moving markets. Collaboration is key to our success, and Tembo paper is the proof. We challenged ourselves to create an eco-friendly alternative to plastic straws. And we succeeded. New product, new machinery, and a new market. By working closely with the industry, we developed a fast product development program to overcome challenges at product and manufacturing level. Now we're able to meet customer demands, offering a range of high-quality paper straws, plus the possibility to build your own paper straw production facility. And we can integrate complete line solutions for each type of straw, which increases scale-up capabilities and meets the growing demands of the market. Another example is our development of multi-compartment pouches packed in water-soluble PVOH foil. Producing these complex products is challenging because of the risk of leaking capsules. Without a deep understanding of the materials and technology, these types of issues can easily affect the launch of your new product. At Tembo, we beat industry benchmarks by using our expertise to optimize and control high-volume production, leading to the highest OEE performance. We also track the latest trends and collaborate with our clients to apply innovations in the supply chain process. That's the case with our digital twin, which turns data into a visualized digital model of the desired product. We use real-time data from multiple different sensors, helping our clients to predict maintenance, improve production efficiency, maintain the product quality, and more. Tembo, creating the next together.